It's honorable to present my research proposal to fulfill the final project of English for academic purposes held by Ms. Pujisri Rahayu. My name is Este Molina from A class 2017. I will conduct a research entitled Grammarly as a tool to give automated feedback in writing tasks. On top of that, I want to say thank you for our lecturer, Ms. Pujisri Rahayu, who got me and my classmates within the course with valuable information. The outline of my presentation consists of introduction and background, research questions, research objective, and research methodology. First of all, my research title is Grammarly as a tool to give automated feedback in writing tasks. Automated feedback is a proper and direct way to tell students about their mistakes in their work. In writing, automated feedback will help teachers to spare the time in correcting students' work, because one of the problems of writing class is teachers spend too much time to correct students' work. In addition, teachers do not tell the errors of students' writing in detail sometimes. As a result, the students will end up confused whether the writing is good or not. In another possibility, the students will search any tools to help them to do the work. However, it is better if the teacher uses the appropriate tools to do assessment. Automated feedback is important and it becomes a best help for teachers to adjust with how the world works with technology right now. We know clearly that many teachers do not use technology based not only for writing class but also other class in teaching and learning process. And this study is one of the way to prove what advantages that both of the teacher and students have when they use technology in the right place. It is also a solution for other teachers and school to aware that feedback of students' writing commonly spend a long period of time to correct. Therefore, the last thing that supports the statement is looking for the appropriate tools or software. Grammarly as a grammar checker is the appropriate tools to do automated feedback in writing class. Based on Grammarly in 2015, Grammarly is an online software that claims to correct up to 10 times more errors than any other popular word processors. It contains a contextual spell checker and provides more than 250 grammatical checks. Perdana and Farida state that Grammarly could be attached in Safari, Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. On top of that, Grammarly offers evaluation on clarity, writing correctness, engagement, delivery, and it provides the overall writing score. It means that Grammarly is easy to use because we can attach it on various browsers. More in 2018 states that Grammarly was released in late 2009 with research plagiarism detected features, which has over 250 grammar rules. This software provides the function for detecting grammar errors, spelling, word choice, wordiness, punctuations, and plagiarism. By discovering why Grammarly is the best tools to do automated feedback in writing class and what impacts that occur by using Grammarly, this study has three advantages or three importances. First, teachers will upgrade their teaching and learning process to adjust the newest generation that use technology. Second, the students will improve their writing skills because they know what are the things that they should fix about grammar errors, spelling, word choice, wordiness, punctuations, and plagiarism in the details of feedback that Grammarly show. Last, it will help increase school accreditations and the model of any school activities that related to writing skills. The research questions of this study are: first, why Grammarly called an effective tool for giving automated feedback towards students' writing tasks, and what impacts that occur if Grammarly is applied within writing class. And related to the research question, the purpose of this research are to discover the reasons why Grammarly is a best and proper tools in giving automated feedback towards students' writing tasks and the outcomes from attaching Grammarly for the students. This study will adopt descriptive qualitative analysis method. Descriptive method is the way researchers write the research with explanatory words. It has deep understanding and rich description about the study. In other words, it needs elaborating techniques. Furthermore, data will be analyzed by identifying the problems, describing or writing the description about Grammarly as a tool to give automated feedback in writing tasks. Besides the details of problems that are described by researcher, to answer problem statement and analyze it. I will conduct the research through observation and interviews because this is a qualitative research. The observation is the appropriate way to collect the data for the study because the study aims to explore the reason why Grammarly is a right tool to give automated feedback in writing class. Through observation, the reason will be displayed while teaching on learning process. In addition, the researcher recorded all the teaching and learning process with camera to make sure nothing is missing. The second technique for collecting data is through the interview. The researcher believes that interview will add the details that couldn't be included in observation. So the researcher asks the students and the teacher the questions in order to answer the research question. More detail is essential for completing observation as a technique of the study. Last, the observation and interview will be conducted towards 10 grade students of Madrasah Aliyah Al-Amin Kapuas. This study is conducted in Madrasah Aliyah Al-Amin, one of the institutions of Pondok Pesantren Al-Amin, located at Jalan Pemuda, Anjir Palambang, Pulau Petak, Kabupaten Kapuas, Kalimantan Tengah. The school is not far away from citizens, yet it is not in the middle of the town. We have come to the end of the presentation. I look forward for the advice. Thank you.